Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us clues right here, no big surprise. We saw the cup close right at the start of the day. So all you got to do then was to wait for the handle. As simple as that. And the handle we had the breakout on that orange algorithm. We talked about that yesterday as well. It's quite straightforward. On the 1 minute chart, I wasn't around today, but I left a simple instruction at 12:25, as simple as that. We closed the intraday cup at a 1 minute at 12:25 right there, and all you got to do, wait for the handle. You see the handle forming, and thereafter quite straightforward to the end of the day right there. Now trade at your comfort level. You can find profits every single day in the charts. It's absolutely no problem. Now I talked about this as well in yesterday's video quite extensively, because what's important from this move was when we started reclaiming the 5-day moving average right here. So please watch yesterday's video if you have not. This should come as no surprise for you right here.